welcome to another video, Max Mountain World. Quite a noisy thing, this tunnel, so I'm up close. And yeah, as you saw there, my Rossignol Smash7s. The first time out on them since my big crash that I had last year. So not too sure, I've checked all of the safeties on them and they're all okay. I think it was just the way that I fell that one ski didn't release properly. So I'm going to go have a little tour around, have lunch somewhere up the mountain and just go skiing. It's the end of the season. Someone's told me that up the top the snow is still fantastic, so just take a usual ski around the usual haunts, see what I can find. So the Rossignol Smash7s, they're my lightest, most manoeuvrable ski, but not the fastest, nowhere near it. But yeah, ready to go. They've all been tuned up and prepared. I get my skis prepared at the end of every season, so they're ready for the next or whatever I do with them. So we're going to have some fun with these guys. They are pretty good fun to ski on. Quite short 150s. Compared to the others around about 160, 170s, but that's the reason why they're so manoeuvrable. They're pretty flexible with progressive carve as well, so good fun on the this sort of crystal type stuff. So I'll do the warm-up from the top of the tunnel magic carpet here. I'll take the Pré-Bois up. It's just a beautiful, beautiful clear day today. No wind. Temperature at 1800 is about, well, as you saw there, a bit icy. It's nice though. Salut, ça va et toi?
Ça va Max?
Hey!
Ça va?
Merci. Oui, c'est comme les Guinness.
Ouais.
Ça monte un peu, petit,
J'ai fait chauffer la buse.
avec la tête. Cool, merci.
Cappuccino, mais...
On peut écrire?
Oui.
No. Cheers. Oh, so good. I've brought some toys out to play with the cameras, so I can do stuff like this. Yeah, pretty good. So I'm going to have a look around, maybe give you some ski shots from the extension pole here. Going to go up higher. So the line between the mushy stuff below and the better stuff above. A bit of powder coming off his skis. It's around about the 2,000 metre mark, but that'll climb up in the next hour or two as the sun beats on it in various places. But I'll, as usual, find the places that keep the best condition. we got just over a week of the winter season to go here up in Les-Orres. Snow is absolutely delicious here. Gonna head down here. Yeah, really nice. Gets steep down this bit. Not many marks on it either. Wow. This is really nice. Dare I check the sides? Looks okay. Only one way to find out. Soft enough. Work my way around a bit. A bit crusty there, but it's been beaten by the sun. Get right round, it gets very steep here. Not too sure. Okay. Oh, yep, it is steep and not too bad. Yeah, it's nice here. Yeah, you can see my marks above there, round past here, and a slide down. So yeah, the piece nice up here, hardly been touched. Almost nobody about. Not going over there. They'll be beaten by the sun. Woohoo, yeah. Not bad. It's going to get horrible now. Oh, icy. Go and find some untouched stuff. Oh, I love the carve of these. Wow. Untouched. Snow's still nice here, and we're about 2-1 or so. See the powder off of the turns there. Nip over there to the left. Oh, it's nice here. A little crusty, but yeah, good. Yeah, I was right, 2,000 metres getting soft and slushy, but it's still nice. Just stopped for lunch and I'm walking back up in the soup. Heavy going, but let's go at the peak there and see what's up there. So that's today's video, just skiing around at the end of the season, 8 days to go or so, and got a really nice video coming in a couple of days time, the water splash. And yeah, just at the top of the forest here, so I'm going to go and play around in the forest a bit in the lead out. But all is great, it's fantastic. At the end of the season, almost nobody here. Snow conditions in the top half of the resort, fantastic. Down below, crystal, but still really nice. So yeah, just so good, and a beautiful, beautiful sunny day. So yeah, bit of forest coming up. Thanks for watching. So, got the stick out again, got a different view, head down here. So, conditions, as I say, really, really nice. Getting mushy now. Whoa. Mushy, but it's still pretty good. That there is the sound of silence until I move again. Oh, the carve of these is amazing on the crystal. Wow. Yeah. This place has a wow factor off the scale. At the top of the Kretz lift there, Carve behind there, and just when you thought the snow was getting less and less, not down there. And you can see how deep it is as we come round to this bit here. And I'm going to head down. I'm going to do one of my favourite spots. It just looked fantastic on the way up this button toe. So yeah, that's it for today after that one.
I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way. I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation.
Okay, I think I've got a bit of a water ski ahead of me here. We shall see. Got obstacles in the way, maybe, maybe not.